Hi guys, welcome back to Pop and Glamour. Today let's check out how to make and animate this speedometer type shape. So please stay tuned. Let's start with inserting a block arc. Place it here, and then we need to reduce the size and the width. Change the color, then duplicate this one above the other. Alright, change the colors. Great, this is done. Now insert another block arc. So we need 3 of these shapes, one on the left, one in the middle, and one at the end. Okay, so that's the middle one. Now copy, duplicate this shape, flip it and place it at the end to complete this arc. Okay, let's change the colors. Done. Alright, this is ready. Now we would need a needle, so for that we need a triangle. So place the needle here. Okay, now let's animate the needle. Give it a spin emphasis. If you see this spinning 360 degrees because the center of axis is in the middle. Okay, so we don't want like this. So duplicate this shape, flip it. Okay, take it from here and place it here. So make it like one needle and then make it a group. Alright, and then let's spin it again and see what happens. Alright, great. So this is what we want. So it should spin like this. Now add the circle and make the right end white. So there's only one corner visible of the needle. Then insert the text boxes. Alright, the text boxes are inserted. This is done. Now let's see how to animate this shape. First this shape faded, then the text boxes appear. Okay, now let's go to the needle. Select the needle and then click on spin. Okay, if you see it is spinning 360 degrees. We don't want like this. Make sure it is clockwise and full circle. Okay, so we only want the needle to move to a certain degree. So go here and change the angle. Okay, alright, then save, then play. Okay, great, that's how we want it. But this is very slow, so we need to increase the speed. So decrease the duration, 75. Now play and see how it looks. Cool. Now let's animate this shape also. Okay, the shape is animated. Alright, so this part is done. Now go to the middle part here and then select the shapes. Okay, now coming back to the needle, select the needle again and then click on add animation and spin. So if you see, it is spinning again 360 degrees. Now again go back here, double click, change the angle again, you get custom, put the degree 67 here, say okay. Now if you see, it is moving to that degree only. Now let's play from the top and see. This appears, then it moves this side, and again it goes and stops here. Great, that's all we wanted. So make sure you do the same thing, animate the shapes here and then make the movement of the needle to again 27 degrees towards the end. So it is 27, 67 and so on. Great. So this is how the animations look. Now put the text box for the title. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.